All living things are made up of cells. In this video, we will be discussing two types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Life on Earth is classified into 5 kingdoms: bacteria, which are made up of prokaryotic cells, and animals, plants, fungi, and protoctista, all of which are eukaryotes. Prokaryotes are single-celled organisms without a membrane-bound nucleus. The genetic material is free in the cytoplasm and is found in a single circular chromosome in the centre of the cell. This holds all of the genes required for the bacterium. The cell may also contain one or more small rings of DNA called plasmids. These contain additional genes, such as those coding for antibiotic resistance. Bacteria can exchange their plasmids with other bacteria, which provides genetic variation. Bacterial cells consist of a cytoplasm, which is where most chemical processes take place. Ribosomes are found free in the cytoplasm, and these are where protein synthesis occurs. The cell is surrounded by a cell membrane, which controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell, and an outer cell wall made of a substance called peptidoglycan, which strengthens the cell. Unlike eukaryotes, bacterial cells may also contain flagella, which are whip-like structures involved in locomotion. That is, they help the cell to move. Bacterial cells are smaller than eukaryotes, and are usually between 1 to 10 micrometers in length. To better understand the size of these cells, you should be aware that 1 millimeter is equal to 1,000 micrometers. In contrast, eukaryotes are much larger, greater than 10 micrometers. They are organisms that contain a membrane-bound nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Their genetic material is found in chromosomes within the nucleus, and the nucleus is surrounded by a double membrane called a nuclear envelope, with pores allowing substances to leave the nucleus. Now let's look at two generalised eukaryotic cell structures, those of animal and plant cells. As we've already established, eukaryotic cells contain a membrane-bound nucleus. They, like bacterial cells, also contain cytoplasm, which is where most of the chemical processes take place. Suspended in the cytoplasm are mitochondria, in which most energy is released by respiration, and ribosomes, in which protein synthesis takes place. Ribosomes are also found in prokaryotic cells, although eukaryotic ribosomes are larger than those in prokaryotes. These features are found in both animal and plant cells. However, plant cells also contain additional organelles as well as these. Plant cells, and algal cells for that matter, are surrounded by a cell wall providing strength to the cell. But unlike in bacterial cells, these cells are made of a substance called cellulose. Many plant cells also contain a chloroplast, containing the green substance chlorophyll, which absorb light energy to be used to make food for the plant in photosynthesis. A permanent vacuole may also be found in the cytoplasm of plant cells. This is a space filled with cell sap that maintains the turgidity of the cell. This is important in keeping the plant upright.